What's up guys, thanks for joining me. Today we've got the Aussie Essential Pack for the Nintendo Switch Lite. I know a couple of you guys have been waiting for this video, so let's dive right in. Everything you get comes neatly packed in this box, ready to give as a gift to yourself or to that Switch owner in your life. We created the pack to be lightweight and travel oriented to match your Switch Lite's portability, so everything included fits inside the first thing I'm going to talk about, the carry case. The outer shell is a durable EVA material that's designed to absorb impact. Other exterior features include twin zips, a flexible carry handle, and a ring tab for a wrist strap or to clip on other accessories. The interior of the case is molded to fit your Switch Lite, with recesses to accommodate the triggers or the comfort grip. Also, extra padding in the middle of the console is there to protect the internals from bumps. It's lined with this soft non-abrasive material to prevent scratches when you take your console in and out of the case, and the two elastic straps will hold your console in place to make sure it doesn't move around whilst you're traveling. Our top compartment is created for easy access and maximum capacity. The dual pocket design gives you the flexibility to store what you need when you need it, and we've added a zip pocket to store any small or loose accessories that may fall out of the larger one. This flexibility lets you swap things out on the fly, so you could have a battery pack and a cable in the main compartment, headphones and thumb grips in the zip compartment, or swap them out for spare Joy-Cons and a play stand. It's up to you. When you open it up, the first thing you'll see is the built-in game card holder. It has space for 8 game cards, and that's enough for a great selection of games when you're on the go, or if you're all digital, it'll fit your microSD cards with ease. The reverse has this soft microfibre material, and it's going to be in contact with your screen to make sure that it's protected and that you don't get any scratches. Speaking of screens, our screen protector is full adhesive, made from a special chemically treated reinforced glass. It has an industry-leading 9H hardness, the clarity is superb, and with its high light transmittance, image quality is amazing and the colors are just as vivid as a bare screen. The screen is edge to edge and application is super easy. It's ultra slim for high touch sensitivity and tempered for your safety. The Aussie screen protector keeps your screen looking like new. The Switch Lite is a handheld-only console, and if you're like me, you may start to feel a strain on your hands, especially during those long play sessions. This is where the comfort grip case comes in. Its ergonomic design and granular texture give you a more comfortable grip on your Nintendo Switch Lite, letting you play longer without getting hand cramps or strain. Not only that, the durable TPU material is shock absorbent, giving you peace of mind when you're out and about with your Switch. This case keeps your console scratch-free and protected from the elements. It's got easy access to all the ports and functions thanks to the accurate cutouts, and the airflow is unrestricted, so your Switch Lite won't overheat from having this case on. Also, when you take the case off, you see the 2 game holders hidden in the grips. We want to make sure that even when you pack light, you still have options. We've added a stand to the back of the case to replace the one omitted from the Switch Lite. It's stable and gives you a great viewing angle, perfect if you want to use a Pro controller or get into some tabletop multiplayer gaming. As well as cases and screen protectors, our Essential Pack has accessories that we think are necessary, like our USB certified cable. It's a perfect backup charging cable. It's USB Type-C to Type-A, so you can use any USB plug to charge your Switch. Would you turn down increased grip and better aiming when you're playing on your Switch Lite? We didn't think so. That's why we've included thumb grips with every pack. 3 pairs of different sizes so you can find the combo that fits you best. The games holder gives you a convenient and portable way to carry your game card. It gives you an additional 4 slots on top of the 8 you have already in the carry case. Dustproof and water resistant, the game card holder will keep your games safe whilst you travel. The Aussie Stylus pen is a twin tip pen suitable for writing on paper as well as your Switch Lite. At one end is a ballpoint pen and the other is a soft stylus, ensuring accurate navigation and control when typing or drawing on your touchscreen. If you love games like Mario Maker 2 or Dr. Kawashima's Brain Training, this stylus is essential. A convenient clip ensures you always have the stylus with you, whether it's attached to the case or a pocket. The soft stylus tips also reduces fingerprint smudges on the screen of your device. For the full immersive experience, we've included earbuds. The great range and clarity mean you'll be able to enjoy the fantastic audio from your favorite games when you're out and about. So there you have it, the Aussie Essential Pack. the must-have bundle for your Nintendo Switch Lite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.